Hi children, how are you children? Welcome to our EVS class children. Today we are going to learn 3 R's. Our today's topic is 3 R's. What is the name of our today's topic children? 3 R's. 3 R's means 1 R is to reduce. 1 R is for reuse and the third R is recycle. So the things which we don't need are to be reduced, means we should take away the things, means the waste things. The things which we don't use are the waste things. We should take out those things, means we should reduce those things by taking them out. And we can use some unusable things, some waste things, we can reuse them again. For example, newspaper, the papers in which we write also, we can reuse them again by making new books and new papers, isn't it children? That's called reuse. And the third R is recycle. Recycle means the things like our waste from kitchen, flowers, peels of the vegetables, fruits, etc. are to be recycled and used for different things in our day-to-day life, isn't it children? Now, so we are going to learn how to reduce. The first thing is reduce. The first R is reduce. Compose the waste food, means the waste food like rice, curries, whichever are left over. We should not waste it by throwing it. Instead, we should change it into manure. Okay, children. And we should not use the plastic bags. Plastic bags means the carry bags in which we get vegetables, fruits, flowers, and also those bags are not to be used. Instead of using plastic bags, we should use paper bags or jute bags, children. Now, the third thing is walk or ride a bicycle instead of a scooter for short distances. If you have to go to a short distance, means from your house to your school. If your school is nearby to your house, if the shop is nearby to your house, don't go to the shop from your house by using a scooter or a bike along with your daddy. Tell your daddy that, Daddy, let's go by walk or let's go by a bicycle. Don't go by a scooter, because scooter produces smoke which spoils the air. It creates pollution in air. Okay, children. Switch off the lights, fans, TVs, etc. When we don't use them, we should not waste the power. And turn off the taps also when we are brushing the teeth, and also when we are washing our hands. While washing and while brushing only, we should open the taps. Before brushing or washing the hands, we should not keep them open. While washing also, we should not keep open. Only when we have to clean the hands or our teeth with water, we should open the tap for brushing the teeth or for washing the hands. And buy less plastic bags, plastic toys, etc. Plastic bags and plastic toys are not good for health, so we should not buy them in more quantity. We should buy very less of toys and very less of plastic bags. Now the next R is reuse. We can reuse the things like water bottles, which we can use by refilling them again and again. We can reuse the plastic water bottles again and again by refilling them, means in the sense refilling means filling them up. Use reusable grocery bags, means to bring the groceries like rice, sugar, and all. We should not use the plastic bags. Instead, we should use reusable bags like cloth bags, paper bags, jute bags, etc. Use backside of papers also. We write on the front side of paper. We never use the back side of paper. We should not waste the paper. So to avoid this wastage of paper, we should write on both sides of the paper, in the front side as well as at the back side. In this way, we can save the paper. Reuse things for craft. for making craft like helicopter, boat, etc. In school, we use newspapers, isn't it, children? In the same way, we use the things, we reuse the things without throwing them. Instead of wasting them, we reuse them for craft also. The third R indicates recycle. Recycling means use different bins for different garbage items for recycling them. Recycling means the waste which we throw is used for preparing power and all. In our day to day life, we can use that power. Okay, children. So we should throw the waste in different bins like dry waste and wet waste. Nowadays, we find green color dustbin and blue color dustbin in every house. So use the green dustbin for throwing the wet waste. Wet waste means the waste of kitchen like peels of vegetables, fruits, tea powder, etc. All are wet waste. So we should throw the wet waste in green dustbin, and in blue dustbin we should throw the dry waste. Dry waste means like paper bags, plastic wrappers, paper cups, etc. are the dry waste. They are to be thrown in the blue color dustbin. So we should use both colors, and throw the waste in their appropriate bins only, children, in the appropriate bins, in their respective bins. Now going to the next line, compost leaves and yard waste means the trees. If you have trees in your house, we should not waste the leaves of the trees by throwing them. Instead, we can use the leaves by preparing them manure, which we can use for manure for growing the plants. The plants can be helpful to grow by using the manure which we produce by leaves and flowers, etc. The waste, instead of throwing them. Buy rechargeable batteries, cells, etc. We should not buy the cells, use them and throw away. Instead, we can use the rechargeable batteries. Like after the charging is over, we can charge the batteries as we charge the cell mobile. We charge our mobile phone. In the same way, we should buy rechargeable batteries, and after their charging is over, again we can charge them and use them. Okay, children. And we should also use the papers, newspapers, magazine for recycling instead of throwing them. So follow all these 3 R's way in our day to day life. You keep them in your practice in your day to day life. See you in the next class. Bye.